figure, which means that we'll have a net income of about 26%. We're the third most profitable software company in the world after Google and Microsoft. What we have done is, at the beginning of the year, we had projected a growth rate of 21%. Based on what has happened during the year 2008 and 2009, we dropped it down by 30%, which means we said we will not grow by 21%, we will grow by 15%, both in terms of the top line, revenue, and the bottom line. Now, how are we handling this reduced growth rate? How are we making sure that our customers will continue to favor us? We are primarily in the business of developing large customized software applications. We work with about 700 customers throughout the world. A typical project would be between $5 and $10 million. And we operate in 70 countries. We have employees from 90 nationalities, and we have 11 development centers in India, 2 in China. We have development centers in Toronto, in Chicago, in Boston, New York, Dallas, San Francisco, in Monterrey, Mexico, in Belo Horizonte, Brazil, in London, in Brno, Czechoslovakia, in Frankfurt, in Tokyo, and in Melbourne, and of course Shanghai and Hangzhou. What we have done 4 or 5 things. First, we have focused the efforts of our research on software engineering and technology laboratories in coming out with better models for measuring business value to the customer and then enhancing the business value and communicating that enhanced business value to the customer. Because in a difficult situation, if you go to a customer and say, no, we'll re-engineer this particular system from this technology to that technology, the customer is not likely to be interested. On the other hand, if you went to the customer and say, look, because we're going to do this re-engineering, as a result, we will reduce your cost by X%, or we will reduce time to market by Y%, or we will enhance your revenue by Z%, etc., customer is likely to buy your sales proposal. So first thing we have done is to build models to measure business value, improve that business value, and communicate. The second thing that we have done is, because a lot of smart people are being retrenched by investment bankers and the financial sector, we have hired several of these, and we are training these people, and we will use them in the market. These are smart people, these are wonderful people from the best institutes of management in various parts of the world, and they know how to sell to the customers. The third thing that we have done is, we have controlled our costs by eliminating discretionary expenditure. For example, we use more and more video conferencing instead of traveling to different parts of the world. Second, instead of 5 salespeople traveling to make a presentation to a customer, maybe 2 of them will go. We have said that anybody who travels to a prospect site must be able to make a presentation on some aspect, otherwise they are not traveling. Similarly, in order to reduce our costs, we said that leaders will demonstrate by example, leaders will walk the talk. So the senior most people have taken the largest salary cut in their variable part. The next level has taken slightly lower, slightly lower. Finally, the youngest fellows have taken the lowest salary cut. That, we believe, will bring confidence to our younger people in the management of the company. Because when you lead by example, when you walk the talk, then people believe your words. And the youngsters are able to sacrifice much more. So, we have converted most of our indirect costs to direct costs. Because indirect costs are those costs over which nobody has any control. Right?